Hey Jake, do you want to do something fun this holidays?
Yeah, sure. What do you think?
Let's plan a vacation. I hear there are some great places to visit.
That sounds awesome. Where should we go?
Maybe a beach? I love the ocean. What do you think?
Great idea. I like the beach too. But which beach should we go to?
How about Sunshine Beach? It is beautiful and not too far from here.
Perfect. What do we need for the vacation?
We will need swimsuits and sunglasses. And of course, some snacks for the road.
Sounds good. When should we go?
How about next weekend? We can have a mini vacation.
Yeah, that is good for me. Let's plan it.
Awesome. I will check the weather and find a cool place to stay.
Thanks, Tom. This is going to be so much fun.
And we can also take some pictures to remember the trip.
Absolutely. I will make sure to bring my camera.
Don't forget to bring comfortable clothes and a hat for the sun.
Good thinking, Tom. I will bring my favorite hat. Do we need to make a hotel reservation?
If we don't book a hotel, we might not find a place.
You said book to reserve, you didn't say reservation.
When we say to reserve a hotel room, we should use book.
Thank you for this information.
I will find a cozy hotel near the beach. It will be nice to relax after a day of fun.
Cool. I am really excited about this trip. What activities can we do at the beach?
Well, we can swim, build sandcastles, play beach volleyball. And maybe we try some water sports.
This sounds great. I never tried water sports before. What kind of water sports can we do?
We rent a kayak. It is not too difficult, and it is a lot of fun.
I am ready for this challenge. This holiday will be the best.
Totally. I can't wait. Let's make a checklist of things we need to bring and get ready for our awesome beach adventure.
Good idea, Tom. This vacation is going to be perfect.
So on our checklist, we have swimsuits, sunscreen, sunglasses, snacks, comfortable clothes, a hat, and my camera. Did I miss anything?
I think we should bring some beach games too, like a frisbee or a beach ball.
Excellent suggestion. These will add fun to our trip. And maybe we can make a playlist of our favorite songs for the road.
Perfect. We can listen to music in the car. It makes the journey more enjoyable.
And let's not forget to charge our phones and bring a portable charger. We will need them for taking pictures and staying connected.
Good idea, Tom. Safety first. And we should bring sunscreen to protect our skin from the sun.
Excellent, Jake. Sunscreen is super important. We want to enjoy the beach without sunburned.
Yes, it is very important.
Hey Jake, before we forget, we should call the hotel to book a room for our beach trip.
Oh yeah, good idea. I will use my phone. What is the hotel's number?
It is on the website. Let me find it for you. Okay, got it. The number is 555-1234.
Hello, is this Sunshine Beach Hotel?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
Hello, my friend Tom and I are planning a beach trip and want to book a room for the weekend.
Of course, we have availability. Can I have your name and the dates you want to book?
I am Jake and we want to book a room for this Saturday and Sunday night.
Great, Jake. We have a double room available. Is that okay?
Perfect. That sounds good. How much is it for the 2 nights?
The rate for the double room is $120 per night. So, it is a total of $240 for the weekend.
Alright, that is good for us. We would like to book it.
Wonderful. I reserved a double room for Jake and Tom this Saturday and Sunday night. Can I get a contact number?
Sure, it is 5555678.
Thanks, Jake. We will be waiting for you and Tom. If you need anything, feel free to call.
Thank you. We are excited for the vacation. See you this weekend.
See you soon, Jake. Have a great day.
This is the end of our conversation. You can improve your English with us. If you want to see more video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.